When speed and venom combine, you get the fearsome Black Mamba. One of the fastest and deadliest snakes in the world, the Black Mamba can strike multiple times in rapid succession. Reaching speeds of up to 12 miles per hour, this highly aggressive predator delivers potent neurotoxic venom that can incapacitate its prey within minutes. Despite its fearsome reputation, the Black Mamba prefers to avoid conflict unless provoked. The Black Mamba's speed and deadly precision make it one of Africa's most formidable predators. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing animals.